This message is for empaths and strictly for chosen ones, not the less than smart ones. You know who they are because they're boggled down by fear daily. They will not make moves in their life. You see them, they're scared, they're terrified to even make a step towards their goals. Get away from them because they're holding you back also. Oh, because fear is holding me back, so I'm not gonna take a step, I'm not gonna go, I'm not gonna move on it? No, people. You have to tell fear and look it in the face and say, I'm still going to do it, even if you're on my back. People, I get scared still sometimes. I'm not gonna lie to you. I get nervous at times, I get scared. And I know the universe and God is working with me day in, day out. So I know there is nothing to fear. All the fear is the energetic, egoistic, traumatic little kid inside of you that is afraid to take proper steps and take management of its own thinking, management of its own feeling. There is nothing to fear but fear itself. No man or woman should put fear in you. Chosen one. Like I said, this message is for empaths and strictly for chosen ones, not the less than smart ones.